The smartphone industry has hit a massive wall. For the last 5 years, every new phone has felt exactly the same. A slightly better camera, a slightly faster chip, and a slightly brighter screen. The upgrades have become completely boring. But we are now just months away from an Apple event that is going to completely shatter the status quo. Deep inside the Asian supply chain, blueprints, CAD files, and manufacturing documents have leaked, revealing something nobody thought was possible this soon. Apple is preparing to drop a nuclear bomb on the smartphone market. They are completely killing off the iPhone Plus model and replacing it with something radically different, the iPhone 17 Air. For years, critics have said Apple lost its ability to innovate. They said the days of the jaw-dropping Steve Jobs reveals were dead. But the iPhone 17 Air proves them completely wrong. Based on the latest unreleased data drops, this device is going to sell out globally in minutes. It is a total reinvention of what a smartphone should look and feel like. Here are 5 major reasons why the iPhone 17 Air will completely dominate the market, destroy the competition, and change how you use your technology every single day. Let's dive straight into reason number 1. Body 1. The impossible form factor. This phone offers a physical experience unlike anything Apple has ever produced. For over a decade, iPhones have been getting progressively thicker and heavier to accommodate massive camera bumps and larger batteries. The iPhone 14, 15, and 16 Pro Max models feel like heavy bricks in your pocket. The iPhone 17 Air completely reverses this trend. According to leaked factory schematics, this device will be the thinnest smartphone ever created in human history. We are talking about a chassis that is astonishingly thin, rumored to be less than 5 millimeters thick. To put that into perspective, it is significantly thinner than the M4 iPad Pro, which was already an engineering marvel. When you pick this phone up, it will barely feel like a piece of technology. It will feel like a solid pane of illuminated glass resting in your palm. Apple has achieved this by developing a brand new titanium aluminide alloy frame. This custom metal blend is incredibly rigid, meaning the phone won't bend in your pocket despite being paper thin. It is sleek, remarkably lightweight, and will make every other phone on the market look instantly outdated and incredibly bulky by comparison. Body 2. The revolutionary anti-reflective armor. That futuristic design brings us directly to reason number 2, which completely transforms how you actually look at the device. For years, taking your phone outside on a sunny day meant squinting at a screen covered in glare. You would have to crank the brightness to maximum, which drains your battery in a matter of hours. The iPhone 17 Air is introducing a completely new display technology that solves this forever. Apple has secretly partnered with Corning to develop a proprietary flawless armor glass for the front display. This isn't just about scratch resistance. This new glass features a microscopic, etched anti-reflective coating baked directly into the material itself. It reduces screen glare and reflections by a staggering 75%. When you look at the iPhone 17 Air, you won't see your own reflection staring back at you. You will only see pure, vibrant pixels. Because the screen doesn't have to fight against the sun's glare, the phone doesn't need to push its brightness to extreme levels. This creates an incredibly immersive, deeply saturated viewing experience, whether you're watching Netflix in a dark room or reading articles on a bright, sunny beach. It is a massive quality-of-life upgrade that you will notice every single time you wake up the screen. Body 3. The A19 Nova chip and RCC technology. But a phone this thin is impossible without completely reinventing the internal hardware. That brings us to reason number 3, and it is the most mind-blowing engineering feat of the entire device. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Air is the A19 chip. However, this isn't just a regular processor upgrade. To make the phone 5 millimeters thin, Apple had to figure out how to shrink the motherboard itself. According to highly classified supply chain leaks, Apple is utilizing a groundbreaking manufacturing process called resin-coated copper, or RCC. To understand why this is a massive deal, we have to look at how traditional their boards are made. Standard logic boards use fiberglass as a bonding material. Fiberglass is strong, but it is incredibly thick and takes up valuable space inside the phone chassis. The new RCC technology completely removes the fiberglass. Instead, the copper wiring is coated in a micro-thin layer of advanced resin. This structural change allows Apple to shrink the entire logic board by 30%. It completely frees up the internal space of the phone. Furthermore, the A19 chip is built on a 2-nanometer process. The transistors are packed so tightly together that the chip draws almost no power while delivering desktop-level performance. You can render 4K video, play massive open-world games, and run advanced onboard AI tasks, all on a device that is as thin as a few credit cards stacked together. Body 4. Silicon carbon battery breakthrough. Moving away from the processing power, we have to address the elephant in the room for reason number 4. Historically, thin phones had terrible battery life. There simply wasn't enough physical space inside the device to fit a large battery cell. If Apple used traditional lithium-ion technology in the iPhone 17 Air, the battery would be completely dead by 2 p.m. But Apple's material science team has been quietly developing a flawless solution. The iPhone 17 Air will be the first Apple device to utilize high-density silicon carbon battery technology. Traditional batteries use graphite for their anodes. By swapping that graphite out for silicon carbon, Apple is able to increase the energy density of the battery by over 20%. This means they can pack significantly more electrical power into a physically smaller, thinner battery cell. Combined with the ultra-efficient 2-nanometer A19 chip and the space saved by the RCC motherboard, the battery life on the iPhone 17 Air is going to be phenomenal. You are getting multi-day battery life in a chassis that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It entirely removes the compromise between beautiful design and reliable utility. Body 5. The center eye camera architecture. Finally, we arrive at reason number 5, which will change smartphone photography forever. Because the phone is so unbelievably thin, Apple could not use the traditional, bulky triple camera layout we're used to seeing on the Pro models. Instead, leaked CD models show a stunning redesign. A single, massive camera module located perfectly in the top center of the phone's back glass. This center eye architecture fixes the annoying wobble when you place your phone flat on a desk. But more importantly, it features Apple's first ever mechanical variable aperture lens. This means the physical opening of the camera can actually widen or shrink depending on the lighting conditions, exactly like a professional DSLR camera. Instead of relying purely on digital software to blur the background, the iPhone 17 Air will create true optical depth of field. Your portrait shots will look incredibly natural, and low-light performance will be unmatched because the lens can physically open wider to pull in more light. It is a minimalist design that actually produces significantly better professional photos. OUTRO, the final verdict and call to action. The iPhone 17 Air is not just another yearly update. It is a complete reset of the smartphone industry. It combines an impossible titanium design, anti-reflective glass, shrunk-down RCC motherboards, silicon carbon batteries, and a variable aperture camera into one flawless package. Apple is about to make every other smartphone look like a heavy, outdated brick. But I want to hear from you. Are you willing to give up the triple camera setup of the Pro models to get your hands on the thinnest, most futuristic iPhone ever created? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update as we get closer to the massive September event. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.